Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlamini's on Monday. No matter how hard he tries, Njengaya can't shake off of gowning instincts. Kwenzo consoles Sibongile, assuring her that their bond is stronger than any moment of doubt. On Tuesday, Njengaya gives Samke a chilling warning to stay away from his wife and family. Sangweni continues to be a menace in the Mbambo home, but a business idea from the government gives him hope. On Wednesday, Ningelosi reveals another earth-shattering secret to Njengaye. A newspaper article causes problems for Sibongile and Kwenzo. Vuma struggles to keep his house in order. Thank you guys for watching.